Let me start by showing you how to deposit money into your Web3 wallet. Open the lower menu, tap on the wallet, then choose the blockchain network you want to use for the deposit. There are several supported chains available. Ethereum is probably the most well-known, but it has very high fees. BNB chain is a good alternative with much lower fees. You can also deposit Bitcoin, which many consider the strongest form of money. Let's use the BNB chain as an example. I will show you how to deposit BNB into this wallet from my Bybit account. First, tap on deposit, then select BNB. The app will show you the BNB wallet address. Tap to copy the address. Once copied, go to your Bybit exchange account. If you don't already have BNB, you will need to convert some of your Bitcoin. For this example, I will convert 0.02 Bitcoin to BNB by going to the spot section and making the trade. After buying BNB, go to your assets. Once confirmed, the transfer usually goes through quickly. As you can see, the funds have now arrived in the Web3 wallet and are ready to use. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.